Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and if you're looking to make your next run stress-free, then check out this running vest from Orange Mud. I was so impressed with all the features from this running vest, but let me tell you about a few. Number one is the water bladder it comes with. This water bladder can hold up to 1 liter of water and is so easy to use, especially on those long runs. And there's no dripping. So when you're running, you are not gonna have any water leaking. My second feature I love about this vest is that it has lots of pockets. It has the ability to hold my iPhone, and I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, so it's pretty big. I found that when I was running, there is no bouncing that happens with this vest. It is super lightweight, especially if you're using it on runs without the water bladder. There was no rubbing in awkward spaces or around or in the front. And I really found that the material they use is quality and durable. I like the fact too that if you did have another soft flask, that this would have the ability to hold it. This pocket can also hold a water bottle. So if that's your jam, you're able to use that as well. And an added bonus, this vest comes with a whistle. So if you're out on the road or on a track and you need to use it, it's easily accessible. So if you're looking for a quality running vest, I absolutely was impressed with the quality of this running vest, and I think you will be too. And that's my point of view.